Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to update TikTok. So first of all, you're heading over to TikTok and simply press and hold on that and head over to app info, and from here you're going to be checking your application version. So if it is not updated, what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store. So search Play Store, and after that head over to Play Store and search in here for TikTok. I'm sorry. Okay, so we have TikTok in here, and you can see currently the option open is coming because this is updated, and you can also check its latest version as well. So you can scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you can see it is 30.3.4, which is the latest version that we had. You can see in our settings as well. So that's how you can update your TikTok. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.